I finally got my new sewing machine. It was suggested that I do an unboxing video, but there wasn't really anything to unbox. The company that I got it from fully assembled it and tested it before putting it on a pallet and wrapping it up to ship. The only box that I have to open is that small one on the table right there, so I figured I would do a first time use video. After unwrapping it, you can see where they left a note that says add oil. It's still got the strap on it from where it was shipped. That box, I don't know if I can open it while operating this camera, but we'll see how that goes. And then underneath is the stand that I'll need to take off. It's still attached up under there. Okay, so I went ahead and cut it open because I needed both my hands to hold the box. And it's got some instructions. And the oil. Oh, nice. It comes with a little cover to go on it too. So that was everything that was in the box. Now I'm going to cut the strap off and detach that arm piece down there, and so I can put it on the table. Detaching this arm from the base was as simple as cutting 2 zip ties off. It's got the upper and lower washers and a nut, and I'll put it in this spot right here. It's another tag that they put on this. And I also ordered the light for it. Okay, so before running this, even though they tested and everything, there's still a add oil. So in order to lift this up, I need to remove the knee lift, which simply pulls out. Okay, now this will simply fold back, but I can't do that while I'm holding the camera, so I'm going to have to put this down for a moment. This little stand right here comes with the kit, and it fits into this hole, although this one doesn't want to fit very well, so I got it in there as good as I could for now. That will prevent the machine from tipping back too far. Okay, so since that kickstand is not fully setting into the hole, it's not kicking back very far, so it's kind of hard to see up under here. But here's the oil reservoir, and since I can't tip it back that far, I'm going to use this hole right here to put the oil in it, and then I'm going to mess with this back here a little later to get it to properly fit. Okay, so I added the oil to the reservoir. I also put a drop on the hook assembly, and even though they tested it already, I went ahead and put a couple drops just in these different wicks and in there, so that it should be good to go. So now I get to plug it in. Since this is my first time threading this machine, I'm thankful that they already had some thread through it, because I can just follow what they did and run a new string. The piece I'm testing on is 13-ounce leather. You can see it's kind of thick. So let's see how this works. Oh, I guess said, I'm going to have to get used to the knee lift thingy. Cool. Oh, you could see that. Oh, there you go. Wow. This thing went through it like butter. That is so awesome. Oops. Oh well. But yeah, this does great. So there wasn't much unboxing to do with this. The company was great about putting it together. They tested it. It ran oil through it. They assembled the extra component that I got, if you can see down in the bottom right hand corner, which is the speed control, and you can choose to have your needle stop in the up or the down position, which is kind of nice too. It's sewed through that 13-ounce leather like butter. Overall, what I'm seeing so far, I give this a very high rating and I love it.